Ikaw na. Yan, yung chef ka.
Chef, oh, cheka, yeah. Chef, para maipasok. Maglalapit ka lang eh, para makita ka agad.
Isang kalapit lang sa'yo.
Ako, chef pa.
Tataw, kumita ka pa. Tama.
Don't check in.
Hindi kasama sa first live.
Jump ball. First ball. And first blood by Team Manalili by Pierre. Jersey number 22. The shooting guard setting the table. Jersey number 22 on the center, Bibiyak. Nakita, Dungka. Yes, good for 2 by Jersey Alas. Taking his mark. Pass jersey number 28. Number 28 to Gadin. Center forward. Back to the director. Wanawag. Shot clock down to 5. No give. And aatake ang Tower Cats. Jersey number 22, Reyes. To Alwin. Goes inside and again. And jersey number 7. Jersey number 7, the ultimate prime Mada. Goes inside. Saka pumunta ang goal. And nakuha ng mga kaitim. Pass to Wanawag. Wanawag. And nice shot. Good for 2. Jersey number 22, ang magtitimon. Jersey number 22 on the letter. But there's... And jersey na Salas. Pass to the wonder boy of Manalili. Sorry. Number 28. And there's a blocking foul. And jersey number 5. Nagid. And Gadin. Gets the basket. My kasama pin. Nice shot. Running. Lamang po ang defending champion with a 5 points lead. Jersey number 7. Ang pakawalan itatakata. Lulusob. And there's a contact. Jersey number 8. Mr. Renz Dungka. First throw. Lucky down. Nice one again. 7-4 ang Salas setting the table. And out of bounds. Number 7. Ang pakawalan ni Tatakata. Pass to Reyes. Reyes. Big trouble. Looking for a friend. Pass to Cabrera. Hinulog. Oy with a flip. Oy. Number 28. The Wonder Boy setting the table. Jersey number 28. Pass to jersey number. And jersey number 22. Number 22 setting the table. Looking for a friend. Sa kanya pa rin. Gandang hulog naman nun. And breaks the basket. May kasama pang foul. Bonus throw by jersey number 13. For the first deadlock. Let us all find out. No give. And jersey number 28. Number 28. The Wonder Boy. The director. Pass to Salas. Fire. Yes sir. Bang. 3. Miss 9 Salas. Pass to jersey number 8. Babawi ng dos. Wala. Tabigan. And Dungka. Aatake. Dungka Pereira. Nice shot. By jersey now. Sing the lead court. 7-1. Looking for a friend. To jersey number 28. To Justin A. Nice shot. Good for 2. Justin Barcelona Arcio. Jersey number 8. And there's a contact foul. Jersey number. Foul. Sana natin na-highlights din ako ng 3J books. And Kyle Bandan, 3. 11, isang punto para sa mga nakaitim. The Wonder Boy. Pass to jersey number 23, no good. And a bullet, one-awag jumper, no good. And nice shot, good for 2 by the Lord J. Gapa. And jersey number 28, number 23, fire, no good. Rebound by. And jersey number, and steal by the Wonder Boy. Atake ang Manalili. Sumalaksak, no good. Rebound by Gapa. Yes, sir. Good for 2. Garcia called the timeout for the team. The Uppercuts. Running score po natin. Barangay Inaon. 11-16. 5 puntos. Magbunyi para sa punan ng team Manalili.
Hassan, pass to number 22, 15 to shoot. Pass to number 8 on the side, number 7, Supply. Go to number 11, pass to number 23. Number 23. Number 8, Binabibambana. Number 8, Bunga, pass to number 22. Number 9. Pass G number 15 to shoot. Ganda naman nun. Good for 2 by number 11. 22 Reyes. Pass number 7 Hassan. Shot clock down to 15. Number 7 Hassan. Last 7 9. That one on the team. Number 23 pass G number. Pasok. Pag may dead ball po. Number 22 pass number 6 on the side. Pasok. 4 minutes and 5 seconds. Number 9, 15 to shoot. That's an offensive foul by jersey.
Idol. Idol.
Second personal foul on number 23. Warning for penalty. Number 24, pass to number 7, Hassan. Pass to number 6, Supply. Going to number 26. Number 2. Good for 2 with number 26. 5 seconds. Number 7, Hassan. Nasangatan. Over ni Hassan. Number 7. May house rebel foul. Tumaw para kay jersey number 7. Sarat. Number 17. Nasangatan ni number 7 on the running Hassan. The Regional Supply. Number 23. Number 23 got pop pass to Kalaban niya, number 24. Pass to number 8, Gungan. Number 8 on running, Sagat na Supply. Running number 26. Tatlong minuto para sa aming first quarter. Number 26 pass to number 23, 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Number 23. Now to number 8. Number 8, Bunga. Libre. Pasok. Number 17, pass to number 26. Number 26, Pasok. Number 7, Hassan. 15-second shot clock. Number 18, De La Cruz, pass to number Supply, Tapi Klein. Nagawa na ba na ako ni number 7, Hassan? Tira niya. Supply, po ni number 8, Dunga on the side. Supply pa rin. Number 26. Number 26. 2 minuto para sa ating first quarter. Nasa na natin number 7, Hassan. And running number 7, tira niya. Supply. Number 18, pass to number 7, Hassan, Bitambana, Supply. Rebound number 23. Number 23, pass to number 17 to number 26. Number 26, pass to number 15 to shoot. Number 34, pass to number 17, Sublime, pero may double strap.
Maganda gising niya.
Namamasa ka?
First roll, paso.
Namamasa. Maganda gising niya.
Last roll para kay jersey number 17. Sublime, now on to number 19 on the side, number 19. Shot clock 10, number 26. Paso. In first quarter, 27-17 official score. Number 7, Hassan, pass G number 18. 11 runners, Sublime to number 34, pass G number 23, Sublime, one number. Nag-aagawan na muli, kaya na, sino ang maglalagi? Niyakak, pinahanap bola, jump ball, bola ng puti.
Ahasel na.
50 seconds to play. Number 24, 15 to shoot. Pumukong sa Malayo. Sublime. Now on to number 7, Hassan. 40 seconds to play. 10 to shoot. Number 13, pumukong sa Malayo. Sublime. Number 26, 30 seconds to play. Number 17, 15 to shoot. 25 seconds. Number 26 on the side. 10 to shoot. 20 seconds to play. Number 26, Sublime. Bola ng puti. 60. Hassan. 10 segundo. Unfortunately, number 26. 5 seconds. Buzzer na lang. End of the first quarter. Official score.
Pala ka mula.
Wala may bola. Kalma.
Mag-imbong.
Number 28. Pass by jersey number 12. Pass G number. Di makita on the side. Pass number 72. Number 22. Now the side. Sublime. Out of bounds. Sable. Number 24. Pass to number 13. 10 to shoot. Pumukol sa taas. Jersey number 13. What was that? Who's for a foul? First personal foul on number 18. First team foul. Number 34. Pass G number. Number 10. Pass G number. Pumukol sa Malayo. Rest. Putos by number 22, Reyes. Reyes, pass to number reserve ball. Number 7, Hassan. Sublime. Is that pushing ball by jersey number 24, 34. Gandang shot naman by jersey number 22, pero wala. Now on the number 10. Number 28, diretso na, pass to number 11. Sublime, kuha na number 34. Sublime pa rin, pero may tao na strap. First personal foul, and number 7, second team foul. First roll, Sublime. Last roll, Sublime pa rin. Kuha na number 7, Hassan. Number 8, Dunga, pumabang sa Malayo, Sublime. Now on the number 22, Sublime pa rin. On the number 28, on the running number 28. Now on the puti, number 22. Number 22, Reyes on the running. Best song. Official score. 34-22. Lamang pa rin ang kabara ng Manalili. Nasa sandata na number 6. Pass G number 23. Same ball. the shoot. What was that? Down, 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 down. Sublime. Rebound by number 7, Hassan. Number 7, last by jersey. Number 23, pass to number 13. Pasomangan ng kapunan ng Manalili. 15 to shoot. 10-second shot clock. Sublime. Ako na number 11. Nakagawa ng Candy. Number 6. Pass to number 22. Reyes. G number 8. Buka. Paso. Number 7 pass, number 9 runner pass, and number 23 got pop. My towel strip. Foul. Di alisto. Number 7 Hassan. Pumakon sa malaya. Supply. Going to number 11 pass. G number 9. Nasanda ng puti. Number 22. Now number 8, Sublime. On number 10, oh, what was that? Number 7 pass to number 28, 15 to shoot. Number 28, nasa madaan na may tawag si rep. Foul committed by number 22. Reyes, penalty situation. 28, first throw. Paso. Pag na-shoot po yung last. Last throw para kay jersey number 28. Paso. Paris. Number 7, Hassan, 15-second shot clock. Haras by jersey number 9. Nakalusot, pinasa kay number 11. Basket down by Landon and foul. Bonus shot para kay jersey number 11. Sublime. Go to number 11, pass to number 7. Number 7, pass to number 23. Pumukang sa malaya. Puntos. Number 22 on side, Sublime. On to number 10. Pass to number 9. Pass to number 28, yung ball. 15 to shoot. Number 28. 10 to shoot. Good for 2 with jersey number 2. Number 7. Pass 2. Last in the 10. Black ball. Number 10. So, number 7 Hassan. 10 to shoot. Number 22. Back to number 7. 5 to shoot. Pasok by jersey number. Number 28. 15 to shoot. Number 28. Nakalusot. Pinasa ka number 11. Sabay. Nagkagawa na bilhin ako ni number 7 Hassan. Number 7. Sabay. Ayan na. Nakangiti pa. Move for 2. Jersey number 28. Number 7 also line pass to number 22. On the side. Pumakal sa malayo. Sublime. Down to number 9. Number 10. Pass to number 28. Traveling violation sa red. Number 24. Pass to number 6. Pass to number 11. Ang lang bola. Nako ni number 23. Kapak. Number 23. Haras by jersey number 11. Number 23. Naghanap ang basahin. Nagkagawa na pala na ako ng puti. Not offensive. 8, badge number 24. Badge number 8, Dunga. 15 the shoot. Number 18, pass number 24, Bumhol. Wala. Tapikan, nakuha ni number. Nakuha ng itim, pero lumabas. Akala niya'y makakalusot siya. Wala nang nagawa kundi tumawa. Sabay! Lao pa rin ang putat. Kasi lumabas ang balo. 3 minuto para sa ating first half. Number 23, Gapa. Number 23, diretso niya. Paso. Number 24, pass. G, number 8, Dunga. Already number 8, tira niya. Sabay, pero may tawag si Raven. First row. Sabay. Paso. Buset. Lawan number 17. Number 17 kananya. Sagari Pinasa. Sablay. Lawan number 17. Wala pa rin. Dua pa rin eh. Hinaba. Hinalawan ang block. Well, that's an offensive foul. Nakakita ka ni Rep. Jersey number 17. Akala mo makakalas. Number 17 si Bowen. Spot niya. Short. Nakuha ni number. Ina. Number 8. Dunga. Wala pa rin. Kuha ni number. Niyakap. Minahalang bola. Sige. Ilaban mo yan. Pag alam mong sayo. First roll. Para kay jersey number 34. Pasok.
Pwede na. Nakapuntis na.
Magdami na.
Last row para kay jersey number 34. Pasok pa rin. Official score. Pa rin ang bananang Manalili. Number 24. Pass. G number 8. Dunga. Sabay. One number 34. Pass number 17. Number 17. Pass. G number 28. Number 28. 15 second shot clock. Pass number 23. Gapa. 10 to shoot. Supply, going to number 8. Sarat. Number 26. Pass G number. Number 34, Supply. Pero may dawas Reven from 34. First row. Supply.
Pala ito ni SBA.
Last row, para jersey number 34. Paso. 48. Bunga na sandan. Single. Number 8, Bunga. Number 8, Bumukong sa Malayo. Supply. Nakuha ng itim. Number 26. Pass to number 17. Back to number 26. Diretso niya sa Supply. Number 23. On the running number 23. Pass to number 8. Dunga. Masyadong maalat ang iyong gabi. Ilabas natin. Number 7. Shot clock 10. Hassan. 5 to shoot. Number 26. Number 36, pass to number 23, Gapa. Number 23, Aras by jersey number 18. Now on number 7, Hassan. Number 7 on the ready, pass to number 24. Sabay, kuha number 7. Oh, what was that? Foul committed by number 27. Pasok pa rin. 20 remaining time. Gabak. 20 seconds to play. 15 seconds to play. 10 segundo. 45 seconds. Passer na lang. On the first half official score, 48-38. Pass G number. Oh, may towels rep. Foul committed. First row. Sabay. Last row. Sabay pa rin. Dawan ang putet. Niyakap minahal ang bola ni jersey number 7 outside. Pass number 18. Dawan 24, 15 to shoot. Pass G number. Dawan pa rin niya ang bola. Pass number 7 outside. 10 to shoot. Number 22. 5 to shoot. Number 18. Sublime. Down number 29 pala yarn. 15-second shot clock. Number 9. Nawala pala. Nakaparin ni number 9. Pinasa sa kalaban. Number 7 on the running. Number 7 on son. Kaganusan. Pasok. 48-38. Number 11. Oh. For 2 by number 11. Number 7 pass to number 22 Reyes. 15 to shoot. Number 22 Sublime. Running number 9 pass to number 23 Machado. Maisel Arceo. Fresh from CDO. 15 to shoot. Number 7 Asan Bumukal sa Reyes Sublime. Running number 9. Number 9 on the running Tirana. Sublime. Running number 24. Pass to number 22. Number 22 pumakal sa Manila. Rally by Team Manalili. 15-second shot clock. Number 20, 10 to shoot. Nasundan. Same ball. Number 28. Sublime. Going to number 7. Minahan ang bola ni number 7 Asan. Number 7. Diretso na. Ganda naman ang sumahan. Good for 2 by jersey number 3. Baba na sa pito. Number 9. Pasok. Number 7 Asan. Pass G number 22 Reyes. Sublime. Pero that was a rep. Foul. Sabay ang kanyang unang pang sa ating mga players at mga meron. Pwedeng magsigawan, pero bawal magsuntukan at magsabalatan. Number 28, pass tuloy yung ball. Number 28, 7 minuto, pass number 11 on the side. Number 11, pass 2. Ayan, number 29, ayan. Parang nagugulat siya sa pangyayari. Ano ba naman kung wala? Nawa ni number. Number 7 outside. Pass. 15 to shoot. Ball 14 with number 24. Number 28, 15 to shoot. Number 28, the ball suggests. Bang bang by jersey number 20. Uy, libre-libre si jersey number 13. Pasok. Number 28. Ganap ng kaibigan. Ayan, elbows. Number 7. Hassan. 15-second shot clock. Pass to number 8. Duka. 10 to shoot. Uy, nabalabo na lang pa rin ang puti. 5 to the shoot. Number 13, pass to number 7 outside on the side. Supply, going to number 10. Number 10. Binababa ang bola number 10. Number 10, and has been jersey number 24, pass to number 29. Opa, number 29. Nasa na dahil, number 7. Pass to number 8, Dumpa. May tawag si Rep. Foul committed by number 8, Dumpa. Pasok. Ian de la Cruz. Last show. Pasok pa rin. Officials, mga kalamangan ng Kabanan ng Manalili. 5 minuto para sa ating third quarter. 50 to shoot. Yambaw sitting on the play. Number 28. Wala bola na si Badani number 22. Pass to number 11. Pass to number. Pasok. Ng Manalili. Number 28. 50 to shoot. Number 28. On the side, nasa Badani Medallas ready to fall. Shot clock 12. Number 9, 10 to shoot. Supply, pick on number 10. Pasok. Now wala din. Number 11, pass to number 9. Number 9, nagana mabasan. Number 9, pass to number 28. Nakalasap, pinaligay. Number 26, pass to number. What a nice fake. Good for the time. 15 to shoot. Ooh, what was that? Foul. Committed by no. Tatlo po yan ha. First show. Pasok. Pag na-shoot po yung last. Second show. Sublime. Pasok. Number 9. Pass to. Kasundan. Nakakuha lang. Number 8. Number 8. Dumpa. Number 8. Nakalisan. Sundan. Nakakuha pa rin ang puta. And foul committed by number 9. Pass to number 23. Gapa Pinasa sa kalaman. Number 8. Dumpa. Pasok. Ba't tayo? Okay po. Pasuyo lang yung mga bench niyo po. Kahit po yung mga coach, wag po sana tayo masyadong dumikna. Number 23. Sila. Nakuha ng puti. Nagagawa ng bola. Ayan na. Jump ball. Bola ng itim. Number 22. 10 to shoot. Number 22. Nakalamang na kaya. Good for 2. Number 22. Change people. Napunan ng Dabarcats. 61-59. 50 to shoot. Tapilan. Number 11. Tina. May tawag si Rep na ginag. First round. Saman. Pasok. 61. Number 7 outside, pass to number 22, Reyes, Supply. Dako pa rin ang puti, number 22, pass to number 11, Supply. Pero may tawag si Rep. First round. Pasok. Pasok ang mga ng banana Dabarcats. Number 28, pass to number 23, Kapak. Number 23, spin move. Supply, nakakuha ng puti. Jersey number 6, pass to number 22. Number 7 outside, Pinasa sa Gedli, hindi makita number 8. Dunga, pass number 11. Wala. Nagagawa naman na number 9. Pass number 20. Kapat. Pasok. 63-62. Ganda sana basta wala. Nakabali ng puti. Pass number 7 Asan. Number 7, 1 minute and 30. Pass ating third quarter. 15-second shot clock.
Panira na yun, titira.
And to shoot, number 22, number Asan. Pasok. 1 minute and 10. 15-second shot clock. Number 28, number Asan. Pasok. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Shot malakas. Number 7 Asan, pass number 22. Reyes. What is that? By jersey number 9. Palong-palong. Proud na proud ang kanyang nanay. Nandoon tumatalon pa. Yung bola po, pasuyok. 15 to shoot. Number 22 Sabay. Kuha na number 6. Sabay pa rin. Nakawala itim. 15 seconds remaining time. Masyadong. Limang segundo. Number 28, pass to number 9, ang anak ni Hasmin. Pass number 28, 15 to shoot. Number 28, pumakal sa rest, in and out. Number, tiya kami na ng bola. Pinasa kay number 22, Reyes. Number 22, 15, second shot clock. Pass to number 6, number 8, runner. What was that? That's number 9, pass 2. Number 28, pass to number 23. Number 23. Number 23, pass to number 34. Supply, going number 6. Pass to number 24. Number 24, pass to number 22, Reyes, 15 shoot. Pass to number 8. Nakasang na pinasa ka number 6. Supply, going number 6. Supply pa rin. Nagagawa na bilay na ako ng itim. Number 10. Number 10. Pass to number 28. Pass to number 23. Kapat. Change favor. Lamang na. Reserve po. Number 22. Reyes. Shot clock. 10. Yes. Protons by jersey number 8. Duncan. Number 23, pass number 34, pass number 10. Nasita nga daw na kayo number 24, pass number 8, Duncan. Pasa. Score, 70-66. Nasita tayo naman yung number 24. Pasa. 72-66. What was that? Sumumamawa. Number 28. Number 28, pass to number 23, kapat, pass to number 9, ang anak ni Yasmin, pumakal sa press, wala, nakawa ng puti, number 30, pass to Dunca, on the running, Dunca, salay, kuha pa rin ni Dunca, wala pa rin. Masyadong na-excite si Koya. Oh, sige, ikaw. Oh, injury timeout. 15 to shoot. Number 28. Supply. Gumarin ang itin. Number 28 on the side. Shot clock. 10. Number 23. Kapat. Supply. Nakaparin ang puti. Liya kami na alam mo na number 7. Uy. What was that? wait lang po. Jersey number 20. Samay, now to number 11. Number 28. Samay, nakawalan. Kupanala ang itim. Wala. Backward number 7. Batch number 24. Kanta naman na number 14 by number 13. 74-66. Pinasa sa bus. Number 7, pass number 8. Dunga batch number 7. Number 22, Reyes. Shot clock 10. 2-4-2 by jersey number. Number 28, yung ball. Pass number 23. Gapak on the side. Pass 6 na minuto para sa ating final quarter. Number 7, Hassan. Tira niya. Supply. Go to number 10. Pass G number 28. Number 28, yung ball. Number 28, tira niya. Shot. Number 22. Pass to number 24. Pass to number 7, Hassan. Pass. May kasama pang buga. Number 11. Nawalang bola na ako pa rin 19. Number 28. Number 28. Dribbling the ball. Shot clock 10. Nasa na number 24. Pass to number 13. Pass. What was that? Sandali.
Hila eh.
Technical foul, jersey number 13 for taunting. Sa Tagalog. Parang nga daw, ni Consul, mag-cheer ka daw. 15 to shoot. Number 20G. Ganda naman nungan. Before to be number 10. Back to the ball game. Number 8, Dunga, calling a friend. Pass to number 24. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 22, Reyes. Shot clock 10. Number 24. Ayun, pinasa sa kalawan. Number 23, pass to number 17. Good for number 24. Pass to number 22. Number 22. Nakalusot. Pinasa kay number 13. Pasok.
Matay sunang yung 13.
Number 9, pass to number 23, pass to number 11, nakuha ng puti. Number 7, Hassan, pass to number 22, Reyes, pinasa ka number 13, sabay, go to number 23. Number 23, Gapak, Garanya, pasa ka number 11, pasok. 82-75. Number 22, Reyes. Number 22, tira niya. Pasok. Quarter. Libre-libre naman. Ngayon number 17. Pasok. Number 24. Pass number 22, Reyes. 50 to shoot. Number 22, 10 to shoot. Gandang pasa naman na kay jersey number 13. Good for 2. Number 10. With Towser and foul, committed by number 8. Number 10. Number 10, pass to number 17 on the side, on the side, may pasabit. Foul committed by number. Smile, going to number 7 on side. Pass to number 8. 19. 15 to shoot, number 8. Supply, now Barini number 8, Dunka. 10 to shoot, Hassan. 5 to shoot. Ganda. In and out. Lumabas pa last 2 minutes. Number 28. What was that? What was Ayan na, 86-79. In the shoot, number 22. Pass to number 7, Hassan, then the shoot. 5 to shoot. 1 minute and 30. Pass to the band. Same as Sabbath. Number 20. Airball. Number 8, Dunga, pass to number 7, Hassan, to number 22, Reyes. Pass up. Ayan na, nagsarili na sila. Down number 6. Isang minuto. And the shoot.